Okay, today I'm going to show you how to create a full clone of your hard drive. So in case if something happens to your hard drive, you can go back and reload the whole operating system with the application and settings. And this is a very good software. It's free for home user. So you go to this website, click on home use, and it's going to download the installers for you. So you click OK, then run, and choose the free. Leave everything as it is. You don't have to do anything. Just click download. I already downloaded, so that's why it's saying. So I'm just gonna yes, and it's just gonna download. You click yes, and then say next. Click next, accept, click next, and you just want to use for home, and you say you don't want to register, click next, leave everything as it is, click next, stop, and it will install this application and this software on your computer. Okay, so you click finish, it will start up. So do not remind me for registration. This is the interface for this application. So before you do anything, what you're gonna do, go to the other tasks and create the rescue media. So what this one does, in case if your hard drive crash and is failed, so how you gonna restore them, your restore image. So you have to have something to boot up like USB or CD, so you can use it and reload your operating system. So when you click here change PE, so you have 4 of them. One is for the Windows 7, then Windows 8, then Windows 8.1, and one is Windows 10. So this is the Windows 7 I'm using, so I'm just gonna go and create one for the Windows 7. So I change it. Okay, so then you click OK, and then click next. And these are the drivers I already have installed on my computer, so I'm just gonna leave them as it is. Click next. So on this screen you leave everything as it is. You don't have to do anything, just click next. And it's creating a window image file. So you finish the creating ISO file, and once it's finished, you click on finish, and it will ask you where you want to save it. So you go to the desktop, and you can call this rescue Win 7 rescue, and you save it, and okay, and it's finished. So it's gonna be on your hard drive right here, and you can burn this on your USB jump drive or burn to your CD or DVD ROM, and I will show you how to do it. So once we have these rescues, now we go back to the layout. So I have 2 hard drive, one is for my data and one is for my operating system. You can see this window logo, so that means this is for the Windows CD. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna, since the window use all these small 2 partitions as part of their operating system, so we're just gonna check all of them, and then we're gonna say image this disk. And now is asking where you wanna put this image to. So let's say if you can put it on desktop, and backup file name, we could put it on, make a desktop, make a new folder called Win 7 double, and and then say OK. So it's gonna be under user Windows desktop Windows 7, and just click on. So destination path is including the image. Please select the different. Okay, so what it's saying, you cannot copy the image on the same drive, so you have to have another hard drive. So I'm just gonna make another 7. So you have to save it on external hard drive or a different hard drive. You cannot just save it on the same hard drive, the one you are making the image from. So I'm using my second hard drive and I'm saving there. So I just said okay, and I just check, leave everything as it is, don't do anything, and then click next. And I say okay, run backup now, and I said okay. So right now it's doing the backup. So what we can do, we can go to this website and download the utility to create the USB bootable jump drive, and for that you download this application and you save it and run it. Click OK. You want to check, you say yes. And so I already have my jump drive in, it's 8 GB of jump drive, and then I wanna please select, so I go to desktop, and that's my, you remember the rescue disk we made, that's the rescue disk. So I said open and leave everything as it is. So we put the jump drive, we make sure whatever the USB jump drive we put, we make sure it's listed there. Then you select the rescue media, we made it, the first step, and leave everything as it is. And you say start. And just gonna say it's gonna wipe the data off that jump drive. If you don't have anything in it, you say okay. If you do, then make a backup. So it's almost finished. So it's done, no error, no nothing. So we close this. So now we have a jump drive with the bootable rescue image on it. So if in case something happened to the drive. Okay, so we're done completing the image drive, and we can OK, and then we can close this, and we can go to my computer HD drive and look for, and you can see is almost 16.3 GB of the image. So since I have applications and all that stuff already installed, so it make the whole thing. So this is sitting on my secondary hard drive, and if something happens, I already have that rescue media created USB. I can boot up with this, and then I can reload the whole system, operating system, using this backup, the one I just created. And so that's how it's it's done, and you using as a home user is free, and it's very useful and reliable. Thanks for watching.